So students, today we will study the last remaining inequality, that is your length of perpendicular drawn from a point to a line is shortest distance between the point and the line. Suppose here we are given a line CD. On this line CD we have drawn one perpendicular from a point A. Perpendicular is AB. Now see here, if randomly if I take a variable point E on any part of this line that is denoted by A, E, and join with A, triangle ABE will be an right triangle, right? In this right triangle, A is the hypotenuse, or we can say the side opposite to the greatest angle ABE, because AB is equal to 90 degree here. So in a right angle, always the greatest angle is the, in a right angle triangle, always the greatest angle is the right angle, right? So in that way we all know the inequality of triangles. Already we have studied the earlier four inequalities. That is, the side opposite to the greatest angle is always the greatest. In that case I can say A is actually greater than AB. So if AB is the perpendicular, that means, and E is a variable point, that means out of all those lines which are joining the point A with the line CD, the AB, length of AB, the perpendicular, will be always the shortest. So we can continue with the solution. The solution is to be written in this manner: given line CD, AB perpendicular to CD, okay, then let E be a variable point. That means variable point means it's not a fixed one, it can be anywhere on the line CD. Except the point B, right? So now we will do one construction. What we will do, we will simply join AE. Now we can see, after joining AE we are getting a new triangle. Triangle ABE is right angled at B. Why? Because AB is perpendicular on CD. So we all know, in a right angle triangle, greatest angle is the right angle, right? So that means angle ABE equal 90 degree is greatest. Secondly, AE, or we can say, suppose we compare the angle ABE and AEB. So I can always say angle ABE should be greater than angle AEB, right? Because AB is the greatest angle. So continuing with this inequality, I can say AE should be greater than AB. Why? Because they will follow the continuity. The side opposite to greater angle is always greatest. Oh, okay, I forgot to write down the two proof part. True proof is simply AE is greater than AB, right? So side opposite to greater angle is always greatest. Right? So in that case, since E is a variable point, that means AB is the shortest line segment. We can actually make conclusion out of this, that is AB is the shortest line segment joining point A with line CD, right? This will be your final fifth inequality.